It is 2 days before Christmas, and my nephew has been asking for a PC. So let's build him one. I think I have enough unused parts for a decent build. May only need to buy a part or two. Let's see what we've got. We've got the 5600X, a 1660 Super, 32 gigs of Corsair RAM, and two parts that I needed to buy: 1 terabyte of M.2 storage and a B550 motherboard. Lastly, this is a Corsair mid-tower case. We only have 2 days until Christmas, so let's start this build. Okay, so after installing Windows, I took it for a spin in Overwatch 2. At 1440p, low settings, I was getting about 260 FPS, and he plays on 1080p, so I think he's set for a while. Now let's pack it up and get it ready for transporting. Okay, now we're at the in-laws to make the present a little more presentable. So I can't really rap. What I'm gonna do is simply try my best. Let's just hope he likes it.
Yo! What? This is no! Oh.